Alright, so what I'm doing is I've got this light bar that I'm going to try and mount up in here. So I've got this odd bracket that I had to build. It's going to be offset. Alright, so what we have here is one of these light bars you see on the internet. And I've got it because people can't see very good at night. So I've got the bracket and I've painted it with just basic bed liner and then just some regular grade 8 bolts. Too short. That was too short. Shoulder was the best one for that. I always use grade 8 bolts, nuts. Alright, well, we can get this stuff going. This is a 3-to-1 shrink. Let's see if I can get that up just a little higher. About to lose my sunlight. You always want to have a fuse or a relay of some sort if you're doing additional lighting on a vehicle. So I'm going to go into this spot right here. See what it's doing with the brights on. So that's just regular lights there. Even though it's still bright out here. Pretty decent lighting. Let's go see what it's like out here on the back road. It's still not very dark. That's quite a bit better. Alright, looks like we're done with the old Dodge. Hey, look at my new O-Light. Isn't that neat? That thing is bright too. Anyway, it's got a couple speeds. It's got a little tiny thing that comes on, and then it's brighter, and then it's got a turbo. Thumbs up. Anyway, those LED lights, wired them up to the brights. That's what I wanted to tell you. So that when the brights are on, it turns the relay on. The relay excites the positive side of the battery to juice up the LED lights. So that is exactly how that thing works. So when you flip the brights on, you've got the brightest LEDs. That's what you want. Anyway, another thumbs up. Catch you next time.